Hi there, and welcome to Teemyco's instructions on how to. So in this video, we're going to show you how to disable our AI assistant bot from all meetings for Google, and we're going to show you how to remove them from a specific meeting from the cards up here, and we're going to show you how to add the meetings manually to your Google Calendar meetings in the cards here. So for the first one, disable for all meetings, you simply move up to your avatar in the left, in the top right, go to Preferences, left click, and down here you can see AI Assistant External Meeting. So this is currently on, so toggle it so it turns white to the left, and that turns them off for that one. So I'll just turn that back on. Now we're going to show you how to remove it or add to specific cards. So you come up here, Assistant Bot, left click that, and you can see here, just simply left click Remove Bot from there. And if you want to add it manually to a specific meeting, then simply in here in the AI Assistant, join external meeting and add the URL link for the meeting there. Thanks very much, and please, if you don't have Calendar already integrated, then there's another video you can watch which shows you how to integrate Google Calendar in order to use the assistant bot to join your Google Calendar. Thanks ever so much for listening and watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care.